So you're welcome to this training. I'll be showing you how to run TikTok ads using Ads Manager, which is really going to give you good results. So I'll be starting from scratch for you to see how it looks like. So the first thing you need to do is to register your account. You need to register an account with them. So once you register your account with them, then you are good to go. So you come here. See, if you cannot just use your phone, ordinary phone like that, you have to turn your phone to desktop mode. Yes, turn it. If you don't know how to turn your phone to desktop mode, you can reach out to me and I will show you how to do it. So after turning your phone to desktop mode, then you go ahead and log in. You can either log in with your TikTok account, log in with your TikTok account, or you click on this sign up now. So we'll be clicking on what sign up now. And then we are going to register. We're registering with an email. I'll be using an email I created for this purpose. So we'll be using this comment. That's Skill 384 384. Okay, so we'll be moving to the next one, which is password. So you can use a password you will never forget. So I'll be repeating my email as password. Okay, paste. Then you click on this. For you to achieve this, you have to do what? You have to create an app. You have to turn your phone to desktop site, and then that will enable you to do anything you want to do without any restriction. Then you click on sign up. So it says we should click on the same objects that has same shape. So we have three, three. Continue. So they just sent a code to me, and I will have to log in the code into this place. You're waiting for the code. You just have to wait. So it's yet you are yet to get. Let's click on send again. I don't know why it's not sending. So the same object again. So since we are unable to get our email, what we have to do, let's check if our email is correct again. Abigail. Let's check. Okay, okay. I had to. I made a mistake. Below. I thought I used a logical spelling. So let's continue. Sign up now. Okay, so we've gotten our email. So the next thing we'll be doing is to put our code there. 63468W, capital letter W. So I'll be blocking this account as soon as I'm done with this training, because some people use it to go and do something else. All right. So what we have here is that we are welcome. They just welcomed us to TikTok Manager. So you've successfully signed up your stores. So what you will now be doing now is to come here and then fix the important things. So you can create on WA link. You can create your WA link and put your WA link here. But I have a link which whereby I use for my business. I have a link already. So you can use WA link. So the next one is industry. Which industry am I? That's beauty and care under cosmetic and makeup. Cosmetic, yes. So the next one is business name. AB Prime Perfume Academy. So we won't be using a big prime this thing finish. Oh. Let's just add any number at the back because I've created something related to that. So we'll be using phone number. Let me use this phone number. And then it says additional, so just click on, by clicking here, that's all. You continue. I pray you don't fill this number because I've used it before. All right. So click on got it. You're not trying anything. So what we have here is something very simple. See it. We have, before we do anything, I want you to look at the place my arrow is. Just accept this. So you need to be very careful with your account when it comes to creating of adverts. TikTok is very selective in getting and in choosing video. Like they are very selective, so you just have to calm down for them. It's either you keep creating videos, or you create carousel, or you use just flyer, and you're good to go. So we'll be clicking on this one, and then this is what we just created, right? So this is our ID. Just don't forget, this is our ID. So I'm just trying to put you through everything. So this place is business center. Let's click on business center. I want to show you something, though we are still going to see it in the next one. Oh. By now you would have gotten a message that congratulations for signing up. So this time we'll be skipping. No need to now skip. So this is our what? This is our business center. You have nothing to do with this business center here. So there is difference between business center and ad accounts. Yes, there is difference between what business center and what ad account. So when you click on this business center, this is going to show you the it's just like you having a Facebook account, and which is normal profile, and a page, right? So this is how it works. So this one is like the Facebook profile, and the next one is what the ad account is, the main page. So just like we have portfolio under Facebook, business portfolio, and we have ad account to it. So you said we are going to do two-step verification. So you can do your two-step verification, which I will be doing my own now. So you are going to download Authenticator with stars. That star, it has green, yellow, two blues, and two red, just in case you want to do yours. So what you will do now, you want, it's supposed to take us to where we are going to do the two-step, or did I click cancel? Let's check. So since we mistakenly skipped it, then we'll leave it like that. No need. So what we'll be doing now is to come to this place, Ads Manager. You see where Ads Manager is? I just clicked on it. So now you can see the one we just created. Look at it. This is Business Center. I hope you can see it. Business Center. See, you need to turn off. Let's go and turn it on. Let's use the opportunity to turn it on. Because the basic things you need to know is what I'll be showing you throughout these videos. Then let's set it up. So we'll be turning on two, which is Authenticator app. That Authenticator app I said you should create there. That's what you should create, please. So let's send code. So the first one they did is to send email. Verification code. So that's V. So you now turn on that Authenticator app I said you should download from your store, and then you once you click on it, you will register, like you're going to log into it, and then you click the plus there. You click on the plus at the down part, the right hand side. Then you click on that plus, click on scan a QR code. Then you do what? You scan it, you take it closer. So once you take it closer, it's going to automatically load. So let's wait for it to do. Now let's click on next. To keep your access, get a verification code from the authenticator. So that verification code, you see new verification code that is there. So we will write the 14556. So you have to be very fast with it because you have few seconds. So I've done my authenticator code. If you are doing it like this, you will see a particular number that will pop up after this, after scanning it successfully. Then click on email too, and then you come back here and save it, right? So that's all about the two-step verification. We are done. Now let's go back to our TikTok. Okay, so click on this TikTok for business. So that will lead us to the home part. So we'll be clicking on this Ads Manager. If you are using phone and your phone is on desktop mode, it's still the same thing, just that it's very tiny. That's why I had to use the laptop. So we are, this we want it to load finish. Before I show you something. So this is how it looks like, right? So this time around, you should be doing something for me. So you click on this switch to full version. That's what you'll be clicking on it. Switch to what? Full version. Or this one that this particular version, before we click on switch to full version, is not that standard. So confirm. This is going to make us take pick the set of people we want. We'll select them, we'll filter them out, we'll filter the serious people out and get the serious ones. So this place you also learn how remove people that speak Hausa. If you don't understand Hausa language and you want to filter them out, you can filter them out. So what you'll be doing is lead gen. So if you are selling for the business you'll be doing, I taught you, click on got it. So you'll be using lead gen. So let's keep going. I'll be explaining one after the other, don't rush. So let's mention book. So it's just better to use graphic design. This they used to sell it. I'll keep saying it. So you don't feel frustrated. So you need to prepare it. So you can make your budget 2,000 naira. Then you are going to turn off this because you don't want it to be increasing by itself every day now. Your budget is 2,000. So you are using this 2,000 naira to test it. I hope you can hear me. You are using the 2,000 naira to actually test it. It's like it's not moving yet. So I'm sharing and reshare because it stopped playing. It stopped sharing. So let's see if it's still sharing. So this is the 2,000 naira I'm actually talking about. So you scroll down, you are going to leave it. Before I was talking about you don't want it to be increased, but this is the 2024. So if you don't turn it off, it will just be doing itself. Like how will I put it? It's going to be increasing every day by day. So you put this off because we are currently testing our hardware. And if it's 2,000 you want to be using, then it's fine too. Now we are back to the main this thing here. So you can use direct TikTok message. Yes, use direct TikTok message if you want people to reach out to you. So let's keep this job. So if you don't want to use direct TikTok message, you can use Instagram this instant form. But it's better you use what's it called? TikTok direct message. You are collecting direct message now. You don't need to, if you're adding them to a group now, it's a different case, you use form. So let me show you how to use TikTok direct message or instant messaging app. Okay, let's choose instant messaging app. They'll message you on your app immediately. So the next thing we'll be doing now is to scroll down, and then what is the goal? The goal is not that for them to click, it's just for conversation. Let them converse with you. So the app you'll be using, the event app, is WhatsApp, right? And then you'll be inputting our country code, Nigeria, Nigeria. So our number 081 um 00322663. Message events. So let's check our messaging events. So we don't have any messaging event, so we have to connect our message event, right? Let's go there. So before we continue on coming, let's go back. So let's leave this event set. So let's move to the next one. I hope it doesn't affect us. So let's move to the next one. The reason why I'm saying it is because it's bringing out other apps that is not. I'm used to form instant form, and I'm showing you how to use messaging apps. I'm not used to it. So normal is training. So we'll be choosing highest volume. We'll be using highest volume. Yes. So you'll be choosing the time and the date. So today's date is 3rd, 2026, and this is 3 a.m. Yeah. This is to 4 in the morning. This is 4:02. So you can just fix your time you want the advert to start running, and then leave this West African time alone. You don't need to touch it. You don't need to touch any other thing in this part. So let's move to the audience targeting. So this time around, you'll be clicking on switch to menu, manual target. Switch to manual targets. This is going to give you the opportunity to do your things yourself, pick your gains very well. So we'll come here. Who are our targets? We are choosing Nigeria. Yes. So we are going to remove 18 years old to 24 years old. Most of them can't feed themselves yet. So we'll exclude them, and we don't want to spend money on people that cannot afford our product. So we're choosing 25 to 55 plus, and then you choose if it's male or female you want to work with. And I will be choosing. This is where Hausa people will torment you if you don't know how to say Hausa or speak Hausa. So always put English. There was a time I ran an advert, and Hausa people was the people that dominated the class. Despite my talks, these people in Oyewodo, they kept doing a lot of things, and I just had to remove. I had to just close the group. I think the group is still there. I didn't even bother running out on it again. So we'll be clicking on detail targeting, then click on this, the drop down. So this is what I'm going to be explaining to you. We have interest, we have purchase intent, we have video interaction. So this is what we'll be doing. This interest is people that are actually interested in what you do. This purchase intention is the set of people that actually buy things on social media very well. So the next one is video interaction. People that usually interact with videos, like they usually engage. Those are what it means. So the first thing I'll be doing here is to search on my what is it called, purchase intention. So I'll be choosing shopping. It's a very good distance. So be using online shop. No, we are using online shopping, which is the purchase intention, not the what is it called, interest. Okay, so let's choose purchase intention. You can choose interest too. So let me now show you the normal method before you now say, hey, Coach Abike did not teach us the normal method though. So this is the interest, right? You click on the arrow beside it, and this is kitchen appliances and other stuff. So we don't really, people are not going to buy from us. The set of people we need, let's go down. Now we see these are skincare, beauty skincare. People that do all the skincare, they are likely to buy from you. So you'll be picking, you can pick wig, you can pick skincare, you can still even do the drop down safe. Shey you get. Once you, this is it, right? You picked wig, right? Let's not pick wig yet. So now let us do the drop down. You can now even choose, is it wig and accessories or wig styling or styling product? Which exact one did you want? So you will be checking it out one after the other. So for me, I'll click on everything. Yeah. So we have cosmetic, yes. Perfume and fragrances, yes. Feminine care. So just pick. So we have purchase intention. You don't need to pick another purchase intention again. So video interaction, people that are likely to click on your video. So You can just come. Who are people that are going to be liking my video? Let's see. So we have beauty and style here. So you can click on beauty and style. So oh, so late. So that's all about that. So you come down here. If you be spending, if you have the money to spend for the advert, you can click on I spend the part, because this one Facebook will just TikTok will take your advert to the Odogos. Yes, people that are ready to spend on business like mad. So you can click on it. But if you are spending on minimum amount, you can just use all. So now you'll be using switch to automatic targeting. Look at it. Switch to automatic targeting. Then you're going to see the placement of everything. So you click on this drop down. In most cases, you will see where they put so many this thing there. Eh, They are going to put so many drop down, so you can just remove it. You can remove two and leave just TikTok, the one that has only TikTok, not the one that is mixed with country with CapCut and everything. So because it's not showing right now, it's not showing right now. So let's continue. They asked us to see it. Select events. So we'll have to sort this out, right? Okay, make sure your hard account is correct or here. Wait, the messaging app account ID in your ads group setting doesn't match your existing event. So this they are really insisting. So we'll just use let's use this thing. TikTok direct message. Let them message you on TikTok, and then you drive them to your WhatsApp account, your WhatsApp, because that's really going to be a long way with the things I saw after moving to the next page. So the goal is conversation. Okay, so in fact, thank God I did it like this. So we'll be using this lead. We are not just doing conversation. Hmm? We are using what? We'll be using lead. Show people who are most likely to share your contact information as phone number. Okay, this one, they are likely to start conversation. So let's pick on lead. Hmm. So we'll be clicking. This one is highest volume. I believe you all know how to do the targeting, right? Because I won't be redoing it again now. Okay, it's still the same thing safe. So we have our stuff. Please do not off your comment. So do not off your, okay, you can off your allow download video so that people will not download your video and keep you reusing it, and allow people to share your video. Yes, if they have someone to send it to, let them send it to them. So the next thing is to continue. So what we have here now, we are going to write another name. Let's say bulky, bulky. So just leave it. You don't write bulky. So it asks us to connect our accounts. I will show you how to connect the accounts now. It's very simple though. Very, 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 very simple. So let me check the account I created for it, for this particular advert. Come in. So you click on connect accounts. You click on connect accounts, and then you say from TikTok. You want to connect it from TikTok, right? Why? What happened? Send the code again. So let them send the code. Oh. You just want to verify. That's a stress element. So we'll be writing our verification code now. Capital. So it's very simple. After that, this is the account I want to connect it to, right? And then we'll click on connect. I hope you are there. Okay, it says it's already linked. What the heck is this? So let's connect it on the account. This might take it might take a while. I want to show you the next parts. The this is it. I hope you can see it very well. Try to reduce the size because of the video. So here we go. Here we go. So we're using switch accounts. We're using switch account because it's a different account to be using entirely. But let's say use a different account, so you have to switch. Then you'll be asked to log in with another account. Let's continue. So this is your QR code, right? So it's expecting you to what is expecting you to do now is to go ahead and create new accounts or come in. If you're not going to be creating new account, all you have to do is to now connect your old account to it. Please, if you're using if you have grown if you've grown your page to a particular stage without any how will I put it, like without running adverts or any other thing. So it's very very important you don't use that account to run advert it mm, or else I'm trying to check things out so that I'll connect it, or else the page is not going to grow organically again. So let's connect it with the QR. Then you go to your TikTok and you try to navigate and search for your QR code. Click on your QR code and then check the upper part, the right hand at that corner. You are going to see something like square with a dash in the middle. Click on that one. That's what you use in scanning it. So let's choose scan. Move your phone closer to it. It's not doing. Let me clean my back camera to see What's wrong? We just have to be patient and do it all over again. This one that is not doing like this. So it's not working like this, and there is no other option to sort it out. So let's leave it. You're going to do your own, oh, please. I'll be leaving mine out and ensure you do yours very well. So just in case yours is not showing like mine, so we'll use the other method. Let's use the other method because I found another method and it wasn't that hard when I did mine. So let's check from Business Center. So let's, okay. Thinking we should just create new account for it. So okay, okay. So let's do it like this. You know where I just clicked on now? I clicked on the other method. I cancelled the things that popped up, and then the next thing I did was to click on link existing account. So let's try to do it. If this one doesn't link together, I think I'll just have to use my old account to explain to you so as not to consume your time. Okay. Only business accounts are allowed. Okay, it's like the reason why it's not working is because let's try to change it to business account first. I think that's why it's not working at all. So let's do this, let's do this, let's do this. Trying to work on that on my phone and then I will send it. Yeah. So create promotional distance. Yeah. So let's try to do it all over. So you should know how to do that on your phone yourself. Go to TikTok, search, click on your TikTok studio, then click on promote, and then the next thing will be shown to you. So let's try to scan it all over again. Perfect. So let's click on, okay, so it's going to bring out some things. That's the category of what is best described for the advert you want to be doing. So you can just choose, um you can choose, okay, let's keep checking the one we want. We can choose clothing and accessories. So let's choose beauty. We'll be choosing beauty. So after that, it's on your phone. Oh. After that, okay, I hope you can see this is what it's actually showing. This was what I was showing you. This was what I scanned. This was what I scanned, okay, and after that, that was when I started using my phone. So you click on, so you click on continue on your phone. So once you click on continue on your phone, it's going to reflect here. Your phone is still going to be loading. Yeah. So let's click on OK. Got it. So it's we finally connected it together. We connected it together. This is the account, AP Prime Marketing. Yes. So let's see what's this again. So it says we should turn off ad blogging. These people are not serious at all. So we are not turning off ad blogging. We'll leave it. That's not the main reason why we are there. That's not the main reason. So we are back. So this is what we'll be doing now. We've added an account, right? Then you come back to this business. So after coming to the business now, then you click on it like this. We actually want to run adverts direct. Why is it bringing us here? Click on Ads Manager, and let's continue from where we stopped. So do this. I believe by now you should know the next step, right? Switch to full version. Confirm. I already show you how to do the detailed targeting. If not, because our account was not fully connected yet, that's why we have to just start all over again. So we're choosing lead gen. Then we are using TikTok direct message. So we finally got into this page before, so I'm not explaining it again. So I'm always in the next part. It keeps saying we haven't logged in. See, let's leave this. Let's leave this. I'll I'll be using my old account. Maybe because this is the second account I've actually logged into. So I'll have to change this and then